Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from Walgreens and we are about to get into this week's deals. So we got some good stuff going on, but I am not going to be in here too long today. I have done one online pickup order that I've already picked up. I'm going to show you guys what I got. That was a nice quick money maker. And then I am going to do an in-store deal real quick with a spin booster. So we're going to get started with this Rolaids deal. So the first deal I am going to do, I have actually gotten from you guys. I'm going to put your name up on the screen. I think your screen name is Pickup Chick, but you left a comment on my CVS video that was a great deal on the Rolaids at Walgreens. So the Rolaids are on sale $5.99 regular price, but if you look at the tag, we have a $4 store coupon. So that'll bring them down to just $1.99. But we do have $2 off printable coupons that I printed from the Rolaids website that should make these free because we're gonna pay $1.99, but we got a $2 coupon. So what should happen is that store coupon should reduce down to make the product completely free. Now we have these printable coupons and we also have insert coupons on these. I'm not going to be using the insert coupons because the insert coupons are only good on these right here that are a little bit more expensive, and they're good on the Rolaids Advanced. So I'm going to pick up 3 of these because they are good with this coupon, and I am going to pick up 1 of those. These should be completely free, and then that baby right there should be just 99 cents because it is $6.99, and then we're going to use our $2 manufacturer coupon plus the $4 store coupon. And you can find the $4 store coupon in the Walgreens coupon book, or usually it's also available to add on the app. I'm just going to scan the one in the coupon book. You only need to scan that coupon 1 time and it will apply up to as many as you're buying on your purchase. So we can get up to $16 off since we're picking up 4 of these scanning that coupon. Select Conair products are spend 20, get back a $5 register reward this week. And I've noticed that a lot of these products are also on clearance. So you want to pay attention in this section if you need some of these hair appliances because you might be able to double dip with the clearance pricing and get back a $5 register reward for spending 20. You should be able to use Walgreens cash to pay as well since this is giving back a register reward. So definitely check over in your section. I do not need any hair appliances, so I won't be doing this deal today. Another deal that I won't be doing, but is a good deal if you need it, is on the soft soap. So you can grab these small bottles for $1.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. You will end up paying $5.21 after the buy one, get one 50% off sale and the 75-cent digital coupon. So that'll leave you to pay $5.21, and then you're going to get back a $4 register reward, making it just $1.21 for all 4 bottles, or like 30 cents a piece. Still on my list is this deal on the Bounty and the Tide and the Charmin. So these are $5.25 this week, and then when you pick up 4 of them, you are going to get back a $6 register reward. So I'm going to start out by picking up one of these Bounty Essentials. These are $5.25, and we are going to use our $1 digital coupon. You can also grab the Charmin if you do not want the Bounty. These are $5.25 as well, and we do have a $1 digital on the Charmin. So to finish off my register reward promotion, I'm going to pick up 3 Tide products. You can mix and match with the Tide Pods and the Tide Liquid. These are both on sale for $5.25 as well. I'm going to pick up 3 of the Tide Liquid, but we have printable coupons available, and we have insert coupons for these products in the PNG. As I was editing this video, I remembered that I had extra Tide coupons from Newpons on Instagram that she had sent me that I want to give away. So I'm going to be giving away 2 sets of 5 of each of these coupons that you can find in your November PNG. So if you need Tide coupons, definitely let me know by leaving a comment below. I had made this post in my Instagram story, so that's what this picture is. It's the post that I had made in my Instagram stories about this upcoming giveaway. So if you need Tide coupons, definitely leave a comment down below, thumbs up the video, and of course you must be subscribed. Your notifications also need to be on because I am going to be announcing the winner on my community tab, and I want to make sure that you actually get the notification so that you can let me know your mailing address so that I can get these mailed out quickly. This is going to be a flash giveaway because these coupons do expire on 11/27. So I'm going to end this giveaway on Friday, and I am going to announce the winner so I can get you guys mailed out by the end of this week so that you have time to use them on next week. So definitely, if you enter this giveaway, please make sure that you have your notifications turned on. All right, you guys, so here is my complete register reward deal. All 4 of these products total up to $21. I'm going to be using 3 $2 coupons for the Tide products. Remember that you can mix and match these if your store is strict on coupon limits. Use one of the printable coupons, use one of the insert coupons, and then grab a bag of Tide Pods. Use one of those, you will be well within those coupon limits. Then we're going to use that $1 digital on the Bounty, and that is going to bring us down to pay $14 at the register. So we're going to pay $14 and then we're going to get back a $6 register reward, making it just $8 for all 4 products, or just $2 a piece. The next deal I'm grabbing is this deal on the Dove Men Care. So these are on sale 2 for $12, so they're $6 a piece this week. And we have brand new $3 off manufacturer coupons that are going to deduct $6 off of our total, leaving us to pay just $6 at the register. But then for buying 2 of them, we are going to get back a $5 register reward because these products are actually spend 10, get 5 as far as a register reward this week. So that would already make them 2 for $1. But then we're going to submit back to our rebate apps. We're going to submit back to Fetch Rewards for $2 in cash back. And we're going to submit back to Ibotta for $2 in cash back. So that's going to leave our final cost for 2 deodorants at free plus a $3 moneymaker. If your store carries the 2 for $1 bags of Lay's, chips, Doritos, they are attaching to our 3 off of 5 digital coupon. So I saw this deal on Facebook, but my store does not carry the small bags of chips. If your store carries them, they will probably be up towards the front of the store. But you can pick up 6 bags of those 2 for $1 chips, and they are attaching to that 3 off of 5 coupon, making 6 bags completely free. My store only has these $1.99 chips, so that would be a much higher out of pocket than I'm willing to pay, but hopefully you can find some little bags in your area. Something else that coupon is attaching to is the 99-cent brisk tea. So my store does not carry that tea as well. You have to get the actual tea flavor. Don't get like the fruit punch and all of that, but you want to get that 99-cent brisk tea, and that 3 off of 5 is attaching to that as well. So you can grab 5 of those for only $2. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my in-store transaction. In this transaction, I am going to be using a digital point booster for spend 20, get 5. This totals up to around $41.96 worth of product after you deduct off that $4 store coupon for the Rolaids. We don't want to factor that Rolaid coupon into our spend amount since it is a store coupon. So after all of our manufacturer coupons, we're going to use $7 in coupons for these P&G items, $6 in coupons for the Dove, and then $8 in coupons for the Rolaid. That's going to bring me down to $20.96 at the register. Now, I am not going to pay that $20.96. I am actually going to use $20 in Walgreens cash, and then I'm going to pay the 96 cents. Now, I'm going to be able to use that $20 in Walgreens cash because I have $20 in manufacturer coupons, these paper coupons right here, that are going to cover that $20 spend requirement. So I can use points to cover the rest. So I'll pay 96 cents plus tax. Then I should get back $20. So let's see how this deal works. All right, you guys, so I just checked out and that worked out perfectly. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt for this transaction. So there's our Tide, there's our Bounty, there's our Dove, there's our Rolaids. As you can see, our store coupon took off $16 at 12 in that 4-store IVC. I had her scan that coupon that was in the monthly coupon book. And then there are all of our paper coupons. Those all scanned successfully. And then we had the one digital for the Bounty. Our subtotal came up to $20.96, just like we expected it to. I did redeem that $20 in Walgreens cash. So I just paid the 96 cents plus tax out of pocket. And then I did get back the $5 in Walgreens cash from my point booster. I did get back $11 in register rewards. I got back $6 for the Bounty and the Tide, and I got back $5 for the Dove. Then I submitted over to Fetch Rewards and got back $2 for the Dove, and I submitted over to Ibotta to get another $2 for the Dove. So that is a total of $20 back in register rewards, cash, and Walgreens cash after spending $20.96. That makes this entire transaction in store only a cost of 96 cents. So it's like we got all of these items for almost free, which I think is amazing, especially because we have paper products and Tide included. So now let me show you the breakdown from my online pickup order. All right, so here is my online pickup order, and let me give special credit to my boo thing, Coupon Wins with Lens, because she is the inspiration behind this online pickup deal. When I was on my way to the store, I saw her video pop up and I was like, oh, let me see what the deal is on these. And so she gave me this idea for the Complete Care Arm & Hammer. So what I did in my online pickup order, super simple, is I picked up 4 of the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. Online, 4 of these will cost you just $11.13 when you use the Fast 10 pickup code. Then you want to submit back to 2 different rebate apps. You're going to submit back to Swagbucks for $12. You're going to get $6 for each pair. And you want to submit back to Checkout 51 for $3.08. So that's a total back of $15, making 4 of these not only free, but a $4 moneymaker. Then I picked up 2 of the Nivea Shave Foam. So these 7-ounce came up to $4.84 with that Fast 10 pickup code. So $4.84, and then they're also giving back $5 in Walgreens cash, making 2 of these completely free. So here is a close-up of my receipt for this order. So there is the Nivea Shave Foam, there is the 4 toothpaste. Subtotal came up to $15.97. So $15.97, and then I did use $10 in Walgreens cash to pay. So I paid that $5.97 plus tax, and then I got back a total of $20. I got back $15 for the toothpaste and $5 for the shave foam, making this transaction online free plus a $4 money. So this is my complete Walgreens haul for today. Super easy and simple and free, plus a $3 moneymaker with very minimal out of pocket, the way that we like to keep it. So I thank you all for watching today's video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. And as always, you guys, I will talk to you soon. Bye.